So, it was 2017, and this is a true story, by the way. We're driving down to Nashville. We're on our way down to the National Pavement Expo. We decided we were gonna drive down. So I'm with my brother-in-law. We're flying down the I-75, shooting the shit, and we decide, let's grab some food. So we get off the first exit, and we're driving down this road, and I kid you not, every single parking lot was seal coated. We could not believe it. Everything was sealed. I'm talking shopping malls, grocery stores, dealerships. I was like, man, these guys seal everything. What the hell are we doing up here in Canada? I would say that 90% of the parking lots in the US are seal coated. And all my American friends, be sure to comment in the comments below. Let me know if I'm right or if I'm wrong. And up here in Canada, maybe 5% of parking lots get seal coated. Guys, what are we doing up here in Canada? We're losing the Sealcoat War to the US. Are we really gonna let the Americans beat us on this one too?